All right, welcome to section 8, where we're going to talk about panels. So let's do an overview of what we're going to be learning in this section. So let's go to Window and walk down the list, so to speak, of all the panels that we're going to be talking about. And I'd say the next about 20 videos. So we're going to cover line, audio, brushes, character, content-aware fill, effects and presets, essential graphics, info, learn, libraries, lumetri scopes, mask interpolation, media browser, metadata, motion sketch, paint, paragraph, preview, progress, smoother, tools, tracker, and wiggler. And what we'll do is, where it's appropriate, we will edit the timeline and edit the text or the animation if needed, if it makes sense with the lesson. Okay? So that's an overview of section 8, panels. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.